So I'm going to be doing a little bit something different today. I'm out here in FD, Long Beach, round 1 of the 2023 season. I was here yesterday. We did practice and all that. And right now I think I'm going to do a little car, a walk around. This is like an event that I like coming to. Been coming here this is my 3rd year out here, my 3rd season. It's like a little tradition for me, especially it's a good way to start the springtime, celebrate the start of spring. It's pretty sick FD. RX-7. I'm happy that I'm happy to see a lot more rotaries out this time around. There's a couple of cars out here that I've seen like the past couple of years here at Formula Drift. I love how they do like the interior. Oh yeah, if you can, that's cool. Nice, nice.
You can see all the RC cars over there.
Got RC drifting. I want one now, dude. 8.6. I think this is a GT. Yeah, this is 8.6 GT. A lot of 8.6s out here. A lot of also the new GR86 out in the wild. It's pretty sick interior. I'm digging it. Part of the interior. It's a little first time thing here this year. And you see a lot of Audis. Audis? Fuck, I forgot, what was that joke that Jack used to say? It's an Audi Quattro or what? I don't remember the joke. It's an Audi 300. I don't fucking remember. Audi. Audi. Nothing but Audis. Audis RS5. I don't really know my Audis, but they're out here. Quattro, Cinco, Seis. Naudi. Sorry if it's really loud. It's top 32 right now. And I should be watching, but honestly, I can just catch the replay on the YouTube, you feel me? What the fuck? You pay $80 just to come out here, look at cars, you don't even watch the event? Listen here. It's a pretty sick Type R. Oh, okay, so also another thing that I really love about coming out to these car shows is that a lot of them like to do like these VIP style, decorating the interior, dude. Look at that. Want to eat some sushi in here? They look like they have like the drapes and all this stuff in here. It's so luxurious, dude. Auto fashion. Dude, what is that? Jameson? They got a freaking bottle of Jameson in there too. 2001 Lexus LS 430. 4.3 VVTi with a cover. Covers are cool. I mean, there's some people that say, I mean, I guess unless you're styling your car out like this, of course you want to style out your the engine bay too, make it look clean. I kind of like engine covers, man. It's probably the only Tesla you'll ever see out here. Also, fitted VIP style. Look at that. Did they put... Oh shit, this guy? No, this is... Nope. This is actually... I don't know if they put like a manual transmission in this or what. Wow. Random 8.6 in the wild. I don't even know if this is for show. It's probably just somebody's car. You know, this is one thing about car shows in general. Even Formula Drift and all that shit is like, you see some really good cars in the freaking garage. Like you park your car in the garage, some of them are just parked in there with you. And that's pretty sick. This is a pretty sick, another 8.6. Oh, this is a GR 8.6 with a 2J in there. That's sick. I wonder if this is... I remember Larry Chen doing a interview with somebody that got like one of the... When the GR86 first came out. And he wanted to be like the first guy to put a 2J in the 8.6, or in the GR86. This is a... It's a 300ZX? Nope, 240. It has the same layout as the Z32. Kind of. Are these the Z32? I don't know. They look like the same. I don't know. It's all Nissan, but this one's pretty sick too. I don't know how this looks. Hopefully this looks good. I don't have the freaking I don't have the front or the back LCD to even monitor the footage. So hopefully this looks good. Some Itashas. S2000 Itashas. I don't know who this is. Oh, I've seen this car at Spokane, Anaheim. The Good Smile. It's the only thing I recognize. Good Smile Racing. And got your girl Hatsune Miku in here at Chibi. So yeah, this S13 is a staple here. I think I've seen this S13 like all 3 years I've been coming to Formula Drift. Stock GR Corolla out in the wild. Excuse me. I'm trying to talk here. 2023. Damn. I want one now. Okay, so this is a car I've seen in the garage yesterday when I went parking in the garage during practice. At first I thought this was a GT 86, but this is like a legit GR 86. Even has like the Torino logo on the front. Painted the front bumper black just like in the anime as well. That's pretty sick. I think this is the first GR86 I've seen made it look... The first GR86 I've seen in the initial drip. This is another S2000 I saw at Spokane, Anaheim last year. Yeah, this guy definitely tracks it. Global Time Attack. It was also featured at SEMA. Very cool. Now, this is a... This can't be a fucking GR. Okay. There's a GR Yaris out here in the wild. This only saw international release. So instead of here in the US, we got the GR86, but everywhere else they got the GR-Yaris, and I actually see one here in front of me right now today. That's pretty cool. This is a pretty sick R32 as well. I like the body kit on this one.
Yeah, it is. Very sick, yeah.
Dude, I'm low-key kind of freaking out about that GR-Yaris. It's just sitting here. Like probably the only GR-Yaris out here in the States right now. Such a beautiful day here, dude. City of Long Beach. Again, this is like I guess you could say it's like a test vlog. I don't know. I don't really want to. I'm not trying to get into vlogs, but I kind of want to do like IRL shit, you know. And I figure this is like the best way to test the GoPro out and all that. Oh, here we go. 400Z out in the wild. Probably the first and only. I know Forsberg just bought a 400Z, but probably the only 400Z I've seen, or like the first one I've seen at an actual car show. Stock blue interior. I'm not a big fan of that. I don't know why they did that. Why can't you just? Why do you have to like put color inside the freaking, like the GR86 has some of them have like red coloring in the interior. Why the fuck you do? Just leave it black. Oh god, we'll get to that later. We'll get to that in a minute. Another Miata. This one's pretty sick too. Really clean. Another S2000. This one's cool too. I think this is another Cresta. This is another pretty clean Cresta actually. I totally missed this. Right-hand driving. Man, that's clean, dude. I love like the wide body, the 90s wide body style they got going on. That's clean, bro. Oh shit, copyright music. Audio jungle, audio jungle, audio jungle. Oh god. Honda Civic. And the actual interior is all green too. That's crazy. Clown car, clown car, clown car. Alright, this S2000 is pretty sick. Number one, it's in a blue color. Number two, it's the Nyan Cat decal. S13 with butterfly doors. I really like the paint on this one too. Another Challenger. More Corvettes. The new one. R35s. I think I've seen these at Irwindale as well. That's gonna be it for me. Follow Twitch, follow Twitter, follow Discord, you know, all that other stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video walkthrough of the 2023 Formula Drift Championship Series, round 1 here in the city of Long Beach. We'll see you guys later on the next one.